My name is Kelvin Nieves, and I am 31 years old. From Monday to Friday in the morning, I get up at 6:30 a.m. I brush my teeth, get dressed, and have breakfast. Then I go to work. In the afternoon, I have lunch and continue working. After work, I go home and take my class. In the evening, I do homework and watch TV for a little while. Then I prepare my things for the next day and go to bed at 12:30 a.m. This is my daily routine. Thank you.